Alright, this next one's super fun because we're going to go way up high as we can go almost on the guitar. We're still in the key of A, so this A minor pentatonic scale that we've got right here, you know, with the root on the 5th, all that stuff you've got there, you can do the exact same thing, an octave up, which is going to be the 17th fret, if I'm not mistaken. But we're going to start this lick with a ring finger on the 19th fret of the G. So that's the first phrase. So I'm bending with my ring finger and my middle finger. And then I'm doing a strum, mostly aiming for that 17th on the B, but you can get the 17th on the high E as well. Bend it. Da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 ba da 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 ba da da da. So a down pick on that G bend. Up, down, up, bend. Up, down, up, bend. Up, down, up, bend. Up, down, up. And you can vary that lick. I mean, that's the classic. So look at that. Once again, I'm bending that 19th fret of the G string there with my middle and ring finger, and then my index is on that 17th of the B in high E. And then, you know, look at that. That was just one each. And then 2 on the B. Now let's do 3 on the B. See that? All different variations. So then, oh my gosh, I think that's the 20th fret. It's the 7th tone. I always thought of the tones and the scale tones and had never counted frets until I started making YouTube videos. But so 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And so we're bending that B string on the 20th fret up to the root. Once you bend it, if you can give it a little shake, let's see here. Now my thumb, to get the vibrato, is kind of up a bit. It's harder to get the vibrato with my thumb back here. Just something to point out. So we've got the bendy bend. So I'm going from the da-da bend. Okay, so let's start again. Okay, now check this out. That was all on the B string right there. I'm bent up to the root from that 20th fret. I let it get natural with another pick. So pick up, pick down. Then I'm on the 17th fret of the B with my index finger. But then I got to roll it over to that same fret on the G. So 19, 17, 19, 17 on the B, roll over again. With that little bit of nudging. You know, anytime you get that G string right there on the 17th fret, a little nudge. Okay, here it is from the top. Oops, sorry, I'll pulse up. Look at that little move again. And then the classic move from before. So I'm doing that pull off on that D string. Ring finger to the 19 right there. Back to the root. So let's do it up to there. So now I just ended on that root right there, which is the 19th fret of the D. Then I'm going to do the 20th fret, you know, just from that minor pentatonic, but I'm going to bend that high E. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. And I, use at least two fingers when I'm bending. So I got my ring finger and my middle finger together. Bend it up a whole step. Into a hammer-on pull-off, just like we did earlier, using that concept, which is the hammer-on pull-off, back to the B, 20 on the B, then 17 on the high E again. So on this high E bend, I'm letting it get natural again. So I bend it up a whole step, back down, then the hammer-on pull-off. Okay, one more time regular speed, and then one more time broken down slow for you. I keep doing that. That would be in the key of G. Sorry, up a whole step here. Key of A, all the way up the neck. Here it is slow. Real quick, before we go on to the next lick, look at what you can do the octave lower. You could still do that lick. keep that in perspective. If you're playing, you know, a rock tune in G. If you're in the key of C. Right? Add it to your vocabulary. See you in the next one.